Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to use an Android phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot with Polestar 2. Let's get right into it. 1. In your Android phone settings, tap Connections and then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. 2. Now tap to switch on both Mobile Hotspot and Bluetooth tethering. 3. On the center display, open the settings menu and choose Network and Internet. 4. Tap Wi-Fi to open up the list of available Wi-Fi networks and select your mobile device by tapping the device name in the list. Five. Now enter your password to connect your system. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.